Previously on cuzuvmcvoy. Finally guys, andito na kami sa hotel namin and this is DUSIT THANI, Manila. This is located at Makati, just right across SM shopping center. Look at those decorations, aren't they pretty? This is a very tall Christmas tree. I didn't expect that DUSIT THANI lobby is this big and this high. I've seen it in YouTube prior to checking in, but I didn't expect that this is such a huge lobby in real life. Nagkakagulo sila kasi hindi namin sinasadya. Kasabay pala namin si Miss Universe. Ngayon pala din ang check-in niya. Kaya pala maraming tao. Ganda ng mesa nila, no? Dami nagpapa-picture kasi ang dami nag-Christmas party dito. Very nice. It's located at the lobby of DUSIT THANI. Very good. Ito yung itineraries nila dito sa hotel. Electronic na. Dito makikita, nandito si Miss Universe. Ayan o. Meron pala siyang press con. Too bad, hindi kami makakapunta. First of all, hindi naman kami press. Pangalawa, may iba pa kaming lakad ni Daddy. Kala mo naman invited. Ayan nga pala yung official car niya. Ang cute. Talagang pinky. Nakalagay Miss Universe. Also, this is the itinerary and announcement para sa New Year's dinner nila. It's an invitation. Kita niyo yung price. Mahal, no? This is their pantry. This is their bakery. Actually, maliit lang siya eh. Pero, cute pa rin. They did a good job for an Asian hotel. Makulay. Mapasko. Quiet. Oops, may pa-cute. So guys, ito na yung room tour ng DUSIT THANI. We got an upgrade. So we're now in the new wing or new tower. So this is the entrance. Ayan. Upon entering, there's a mirror. Ayan. Andyan ako. ako. Hello. Kita nyo sa ano yung toilet bowl. Sa mirror, because right across is the bathroom, which doesn't have any tub. Okay, this is the sink. It's just a pedestal sink. It's just a regular bathroom, guys. Nothing fancy. They have their toiletries. It's a single sink. Vanity. They have their amenities. This is the standalone shower. There's no tub, like I told you, but it's decent.
Upon your stay, if you need any additional items, you can always ask housekeeping to give you extra amenities like slippers, robes, towels, pillows, or any of the toiletry items. These are all free of charge.
There's a safe, and there are 3 drawers where you can put your lingeries and underwears. That's it. We opted out for 2 double beds instead of a king size. And that's your decor and the chandelier. And we have the LCD screen. And you have a desk.
DUSIT THANI Manila is located at AYALA Center, 1223 Metro Manila, Makati City. Nag-afternoon tea kami sa TWG sa GREENBELT. We ordered a tea time set menu, and also Daddy ordered a seared matcha salmon. Iba-ibang klaseng scones, saka iba-ibang klaseng sandwiches. You also get to choose 2 different kinds of tea. I also got some pumpkin soup. Yummy!
Nagising kasi tulog na tulog ka na.
Oo.
Sabi ako na.
Sabi ko, ano yung parang vapor?
Yan pala yung mga nasa loob.
I'm having my second sandwich now, and it's an asparagus sandwich. Asparagus tomato sandwich. The salmon sandwich was good.
Next time on Cuz of McCoy.
And this is my cousin. Hi guys! Hello! So these 2 guys are planning to go racing. Hi guys! We're in Novo Hotel. Okay, my mom's calling me.